Hi, I'm Graham Davis. I'm a director from Watkin Jones and I live in Pwllheli. I'm very pleased to say that we've been able to support the local community here and the local workforce with over 80% of the people that worked on the project have come from the local community.
Hi, I'm Gavin. I'm an apprentice for Jones Whitehead, working on the electrical systems of the building, and I'm from Bonnewydd. It's great working so close to home.
My name's Jack. I live just up the road. I'm currently assistant site manager, well, trainee site manager here in Jones. I got the job through college. I've been working here for about a year now, part-time. Started full-time this week, and things are going really good.
Matthew Roberts from Carmel, apprentice electrician working for Jones Whitehead. Been here since Christmas on the site, solid, and it's great to be working here at home.
I'm David Merrick, the Cabinet Member with responsibility for property, and it's really good to be here today to see the building really finished. And it'll be great to see the faces of the youngsters when they first walk through the door in September. And as well as the benefit in terms of education for the children, it's really important that we see economic benefit of a project like this being spent locally. Nearly £5 million investment here, and it's important that we see as much of that money as possible being spent locally.